Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Doon Valley Greens. Today we are going to make a foaming hand wash. I really love to use foaming hand wash for my hands. The bubbles are so nice and tight. I really love this luxurious product. I have used glycerin to give that hydration to the hand without making it too harsh on the hands. So I have used two types of surfactants for this. That's why there is such nice bubbles. Can you see that even in the beaker there is a good amount of foam in that. So now without wasting any time, let's make some foaming hand wash. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Doon Valley Greens. Today we are going to make a foaming hand wash. So for this we need a glass beaker. I'll be tearing this down. I'll be using around 69 grams of distilled water. This is boiled and cooled down distilled water. Okay, 69 grams of water. After that I'll be using glycerine. This is 20 grams of glycerine so that the product becomes really nice and hydrating and not harsh on your skin. Next is my cocoa glucoside. Cocoa glucoside is a surfactant which is used in natural skincare products. And next surfactant for today is CAPB. This is again another 5 grams of CAPB. Now I'm going to mix this thoroughly so everything mixes out pretty well. You will see a little bit of foam in this product, but which is absolutely fine. Because there are surfactants in this, it will foam. That's the job of this hand wash. Once it's mixed, thoroughly mixed, because glycerin will take some time to mix, so make sure you mix it properly. Now I'm adding my preservative. You can use any water soluble preservative for this. It is a must to use a water soluble preservative. I am using ISKA-Guard. There are two types of ISKA-Guards. If you wish, you can go to my blog post and see what are the two types of ISKA-Guard which you can use. So this is around 0.5% of my preservative. Alright, so 0.5% of my preservative. Next I'm going to use my fragrance. This is another water soluble fragrance, 0.5% of that fragrance. Today I'm using strawberry fragrance for this. Next I'm going to use is a water soluble dye. You have to check with your supplier what are your water soluble dyes available with them. Just a little bit of this color which we'll be mixing in, and voila. Beautiful red strawberry color I have achieved, and I'm really happy with it. Make sure you blend everything properly so that none of the ingredients are missing. Usually glycerin takes a really long time to mix in, and it is very much alright. So I have mixed all my products nicely. For packaging I'm going to use this foaming bottle which I have. This has a foaming pump in it, and we'll be seeing how I use this in a short while. Alright. Now let me pour this in. It's okay to get some bubbles. This is a hand wash. No issues. For foaming bottle you make sure that there is water consistency. You do not want to add any thickeners to this because it's a foaming bottle. Now let me cap this up. So here is my strawberry flavored hand wash ready.